market was closed for 3 days. Still tried to put out some content for you guys to check out the indicators over the weekend. But why are we in this trade? Let's talk about this trade that we're in right now. And I'm copy trading to 3 other accounts. So I have what you see here on the charts, and then I'm trade copying to 3 more accounts that you can see. Hopefully, if I'm recording this right, it's on the lower right hand screen. Got some weird fills on the trade copier, so I didn't get in all at the exact same time, but it did a pretty good job. We are in 20 micros. Why do I like micros? Well, I like to scale out a lot of times, so I like to break that up. I could have just done 2 minis, but I like to just be in some micros here. Now it's really taking off. So why are we in this trade? Well, first things first, green background. The bulls are in control. Second thing is we have bright green candles, okay? Bright green is your strongest upside data candle. All right, your strongest upside data candle is bright green. If you see bright green, it might just fly right off your screen. Pink is your strongest downside data candle. You see, the Maverick AI Pro colors your candles like a heat map. Okay, so when you see bright green, that means there's tons of rich data underneath the hood to the upside, okay, per our formula that we run. On top of that, all 5 traders up here are voting bullish across 6 time frames. Trader 1 through Trader 5, think of them as algorithms. And they are algorithms. Sorry, I'm watching this trade pop up here. They are algorithms, but think of them as traders rather. And they all have a completely different style. So Trader 1 through Trader 5, they all have a completely different style. So imagine being in the room with 5 other traders and they all have a completely different take on things, a completely different style, and they're looking for different things. And right now, they're all voting bullish across 6 time frames. Now, of course, you can change these time frames to whatever you want. If you're, a swing trader or whatever, if you want larger time frames. But we're stacking probability in our favor to the upside, right? Green background, bright green candles. All 5 traders are voting bullish across 6 time frames. Maverick Trender's pegged to the top. When this line is pegged to the top and it can't go any further, that is showing massive strength and momentum. Green to the upside, red to the downside. And then the biggest thing here that I want to point out, oh, by the way, we got a crazy good buy signal back here, calling it before this move. But that's the Maverick signals, and we put out a great video this weekend showing how powerful that indicator is. By the way, all these indicators come in the Maverick Ultimate Edge bundle, and it works on NinjaTrader and TradingView. And right now, we have an A+ setup to the upside. The Maverick Radar, the ultimate trading assistant, is giving us an A+ setup to the upside. It's going through our entire checklist of everything we're looking for from our indicators, each one, and it's putting it all together, and it's saying, hey, you either have no setup. Right now, I just had a B setup, kind of regress for a second here, or you have an A+ setup. Okay, so super, super powerful. Now, see how we've been coming down here, but I still have bright green candles. Okay, as long as I continue to have bright green candles here, that's showing me massive strength and momentum. And you're getting the 5-minute turn here. You guys know I sit on my hands the first minute and the last minute of a 5-minute bar. But the rest of the world just had kind of a nasty candle they're coming off of, really pushed down, wick down. Then the next one seemed to be red for the first little bit here. But the entire time, what do you have if you have the Maverick AI Pro? You have X-ray vision. You got a bright green candle. And bright green means that we're seeing a lot of rich upside data. Look at this thing. It's coming right back to life. It's pushing right straight back up. Okay. And again, I'm trade copying to 3 other accounts. That hopefully, again, if I'm recording this right, it will be on the lower right-hand corner of the screen. So you can watch the other accounts move. Of course, you don't get perfect fills across every single account, but pretty close, okay? So Again, why are we in this trade? Green background. The bulls are in control. Bright green candles. Your strongest upside data candle. We can see underneath the hood here. Ooh, up confidence arrow. I love seeing that. All 5 traders are voting bullish across 6 time frames. All 5 traders, they all have a completely different style. They're voting bullish across 6 time frames. Maverick trenders pegged to the top here with this big uptrend label, and we have an A+ setup on the ultimate trading assistant, the Maverick Radar. How many times have you gotten into a trade, you get into it, you get stopped out, you go back to review like any good trader would, and you're like, what was I thinking? I don't even remember seeing this. Like, why did I go long? I should have gone short, and vice versa. You get stopped out and literally you just go back and you're not even sure what you saw. Look, let the Maverick Radar be your eyes. Let it double check what you think you're seeing. So right now, if I was going to go long and if I didn't have an A+ setup, I wouldn't click the mouse. I want to see an A+ setup or at least a B setup from my Maverick Radar confirming what I think I'm seeing is what I'm seeing. Okay, the ultimate trading assistant, folks. This is an absolute game changer. Go watch yesterday's video. If you've never seen this indicator, it'll blow your mind. Okay, it's a great indicator for confirmation. All right. So love trade copying because I like to spread it out across multiple accounts. So if I lose, $400, $500 on a trade, it's spread across multiple accounts. So I only, on a funded account, I would have only lost $100, which doesn't put my account in jeopardy. That's why I like it. Not financial advice, do your own research. I'm just telling you how I like to kind of spread the wealth across multiple accounts. Small risk, large reward, right? So listen, if you want clear vision on your charts, if you want edge in the market, come check us out. Like I always say, it's free to look, and we are having a ton of fun with these tools, all right? And you can hear it in my voice right now. Like, we still have bright green candles. This thing was coming back down, and a lot of people would go, why didn't you click you were up $200 times 4 accounts, $800. It's okay, I still have bright green candles. I think this thing can push a little bit more to the upside. If it doesn't, fine. I'll just whack that mouse and we'll call it break even, and I'll try again. And I only need one of these suckers per day, right? All right, so listen, if you want edge in the market, if you want indicators that give you clear vision like this, if you want the ultimate trading assistant serving up those A+ setups, confirming what you think you're seeing, all that stuff, man, the ultimate trading assistant, I love it. Come check us out. All right, not financial advice. Do your own research. Nothing is ever guaranteed in the markets. But again, we are having fun. Okay. All right. Come check us out. MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com.